In this fit, I'm mixing patterns. I'm beginning with this blouse and this skirt as my two base pieces when it comes to mixing patterns, which is one of my favorite styling choices, by the way. My rule of thumb is to choose color schemes that either complement one another or are similar to one another. In this case, both these pieces have a strikingly similar color palette. They both have similar shades of reds, blues, and greens. I'm also adding this rich yellow vest for a layering effect. It pairs very well with the reds, greens, and blues throughout my color palette in both the skirt and the blouse. It also has rust tones throughout. It's got a heathered effect, and both the skirt and the blouse also have rust tones. So this fit is a mix of warm and cool, which I appreciate. It brings balance to any fit. And for final touches, I'm adding a third print, this leopard jacket, which is going to pair beautifully with the rust tones in both the blouse and the skirt. I also want to mention there are no hard and fast rules when it comes to mixing patterns. I've seen women mix patterns that are completely unrelated in color scheme, and I've seen it work very well. There are many amazing examples out there. What do you think? Feel free to leave comments in the section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, follow, and subscribe. See you on the next one.